If a cockroach comes in your room, what should you do? Most people try to kill it. Some run away. Others start screaming. But there's actually a perfect solution. Grab it with your hands, open your zip, and let it live there.
Paano kung magmahal ka ng isang taong bawal mahalin sapagkat siya'y nakalaan na para sa iba? Tatanggapin mo ba siya na mawala para hindi magkasala? O handa kang magkasala, wag lamang siyang mawala?